Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 10, Session 40, Electrolytes and Solubility Rules. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to predict strong electrolytes, weak electrolytes, non-electrolytes, and precipitates. Listen for these key terms: electrolyte, non-electrolyte, solubility rule, precipitate, strong electrolyte. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Electrolytes produce ions in solution and conduct electricity. Strong electrolytes form many ions. Weak electrolytes form few ions. Non-electrolytes dissolve without forming ions. Solubility rules help predict whether ions stay dissolved or form a precipitate. When you feel stuck, ask, "What did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it?" The core model is this. Common soluble ions include group 1 ions, ammonium, nitrate, and many chlorides, except with Ag+, Pb2+, and Hg2, 2+. Many carbonates and phosphates are insoluble, except with group 1 or ammonium. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Predicting a precipitate. Mixing AgO3AQ and sodium chloride AQ gives possible products silver chloride and NaNO3. Nitrates are soluble, but silver chloride is insoluble, so silver chloride S precipitates. The reaction has a visible solid product, and a net ionic equation Ag+ plus Cl- gives silver chloride S. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning. Here is a second example. Sugar is a non-electrolyte, even though it dissolves, because it remains as neutral molecules. Hydrochloric acid is a strong electrolyte, because it produces many ions in water. Now answer this self-check. Is sugar solution a strong electrolyte? A strong answer should include no. Hint: sugar dissolves as neutral molecules. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Predict whether BaSO4 is soluble or insoluble. Task 2. Classify sodium chloride AQ, HC2H3O2 AQ, and C12H22O11 AQ as strong, weak, or non-electrolyte. Task 3. Predict whether mixing PbNO32 and Ki forms a precipitate. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.